South Russell, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows contractor license bond. What is the South Russell, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows contractor license bond? The South Russell, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows contractor license bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors performing siding, roofing, or window installation work within the village. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with local ordinances, building codes, and permit requirements. The bond protects the public and the municipality from losses caused by a contractor's failure to meet these obligations. Why is South Russell, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows contractor license bond required? The bond is required to help ensure that contractors operate responsibly and follow all applicable regulations. It provides the village of South Russell and property owners with financial protection if a contractor violates licensing requirements or causes damages through non-compliant work. By requiring a bond, the municipality promotes higher standards of workmanship and accountability within the construction industry. How does South Russell, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows contractor license bond work? A contractor obtains the bond from a surety company as part of the licensing process. If the contractor fails to comply with local laws, codes, or contractual obligations, an eligible claim may be filed against the bond for financial compensation. The surety may pay valid claims up to the bond amount, and the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any covered losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.